गुड इवनिंग इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स 12th फिजिक्स के लिए अपन चैप्टर नंबर 3 ओवर होने के बाद नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 4 चैप्टर 4 इलेक्ट्रिक कैपेसिटेंस कैपेसिटी और कैपेसिटेंस very simple chapter and very knowledgeable chapter. In previous chapter we discussed about potential difference, potential due to point charge, applications of potential due to dipole, EV relation, equipotential surface or plane, electric potential energy and electric potential energy of an electric dipole in uniform external electric field. In this chapter we main discuss about what is the electric capacity and the capacity of some conductors. The word electric always related to the electric charge because it is a very important unit. That name is electrostatic, a branch of physics which deals with static charges and interaction between the static charges. इस यूनिट में अपन को चार्जेस और स्टैटिक चार्जेस के रिलेशन और इंटरेक्शंस के बारे में डिस्कस करना है. तो इन इलेक्ट्रिक कैपेसिटी वी डिस्कस अबाउट द कैपेसिटी टू स्टोर द चार्ज. द कैपेसिटी वर्ड हियर टू स्टोर द चार्ज. जनरली द कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए ग्लास, कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए जग इज डिफरेंट इन केस ऑफ वाटर, राइट? बट इन दिस चैप्टर वी डिस्कस अबाउट द electric capacity of charging, storage charging, to store the charges is called as the electric capacity. Just for this, first we discuss about what is charge and what is potential. It is very important for this chapter. Q and V, there are two physical quantity. Q is a fundamental physical quantity which produce electric field and magnetic field both. आपको पता है कि चार्ज जो है that produce electric field as well as it produce magnetic field. So charge is a fundamental God gifted property, है ना? From the discovery of atom, the charge is electron, the charge is proton, neutron is neutral, so there is no charge. So this is the charge. This is a very important physical quantity. Now further we also discuss about the potential. The potential is work done to carry unit charge from infinity to a certain point. Here the word potential means level of charge. The word potential means the level of charge. Here what is the level of charge? When you charge your mobile, then you see that as charging continues, then the level increases like this. 10%, this is 30%, this is 50%. This shows the level of the charge. This is the level of potential. Level of charge is called as the potential, right? Now we do some experiment like this, a very simple experiment. Here experiment is, this is a glass. अब इस ग्लास के अंदर वाटर फिल कर रहे हैं अपन. सो इट्स ए कंडक्टर. सपोज दैट इट्स ए कंडक्टर एंड इट्स चार्ज लाइक दिस. दिस इज वाटर इज लाइक बिहेव लाइक एस चार्ज. एज यू इंक्रीज, एज यू सप्लाई द वाटर, then you see that in the glass the level increases or the level rises. This rises of the level is called as the potential, right? Initially it reaches up to 30%. Again we supply the water, then it's also level rises and it approaches to again 50, 60, 70, 80 like this. So supplied water rises the level and this level is the potential. This water is the charge and this level is the potential. Again if we supply water, then after some time the level becomes completed or constant. That time, at the same time instant, this shows the capacity of conductor of a glass. When its V level completes, level constant, level reaches up to the critical value, then it shows its capacity completed, its capacity. This is the capacity when V reaches to the maximum very critical value, right? So this is the capacity. Okay. Now in this chapter we discuss about the electric capacity of conductor. Very simple for us. Electric capacity. Capacity to store the electric charge is called electric capacitance. Capacity to store the electric charge by a conductor is called electric capacitance of conductor. It's called electric capacitance of a conductor. Every conductor stores some charges and the capacity is called as electric capacitance. Here electric word means related to the charge. Practically it's observed that amount of supplied charge. Practically observe that for a conductor when you supplied the charge, आप एक कंडक्टर को चार्ज सप्लाई करोगे, जैसे ग्लास को वाटर सप्लाई कर रहे हो, अमाउंट ऑफ सप्लाइड चार्ज directly proportional to rise in electric potential, that is level rises, right? The amount of supplied charge means water or level rises. Here Q is directly proportional to V. Very important for a conductor, because conductor which shows electricity conduction easily is called as conductor. Okay, there are three types of matter or material. One is conductor, another is non-conductor, and third one is the semiconductor. Here we discuss about only conductor. Q is directly proportional to V for conductor. So if we draw a curve, a graph between QV variation, then it shows a straight line of constant slope. Very simple, it's a straight line with constant slope. You see that this is a constant, theta is constant. Further also discuss about its slope and the value of capacity again. Now Q directly proportional to V, this proportionality relation always does not related in the proportionality form. After some time it becomes constant, V becomes constant. So proportionality sign removed. When the proportionality sign removed, then a constant produced. So this is called as the CV. Q equals to CV. Very important formula for this chapter. Q equals to CV. Where C is first of all it's called as proportionality constant. Or it's called as capacity of conductor. It's called as capacity of what? Conductor. Very simple. Capacity of conductor. Okay. Always remember that a proportionality constant never depends upon neighboring physical quantity. Like this, Q directly proportional to V. This proportionality sign removed, then a equal sign with some constant. This constant never depend upon the neighboring physical quantity or these physical quantities. So C does not depend upon Q and V. And further we discuss about why it does not depend upon Q and V. Now we will continue with the formula. So the equation first implies that C equals to Q upon V. Very important formula for this chapter. What is the capacity? What is the formula of capacity? So very simple. इलेक्ट्रिक कैपेसिटेंस और इलेक्ट्रिक कैपेसिटी इज इक्वल टू amount of charge, amount of supplied charge divided by rise in potential. Very simple. Supplied amount जो है, supplied charge and rise in potential का जो रेशियो है, that ratio equals to किसके होता है? इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. और इसकी डेफिनेशन यूं हो सकती है, इलेक्ट्रिक कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ कंडक्टर, इलेक्ट्रिक कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ ए कंडक्टर is equal to that charge which rises in potential by 1 or unit. If the rise in potential is unit or 1, then the respective charge is equal to the electric capacitance. Or in other words, if rise in potential is 1 volt, then the amount of supplied charge is equal to the electric capacitance. Very simple definition. This is the definition of electric capacitance. Now we continue to discuss about, this is the definition and the formula and the unit. SI unit of C, SI unit of capacitance of C is farad, F-A-R-A-D. Note that, denoted by capital F. SI यूनिट जो होती है कैपेसिटी की, आप कितना स्टोर कर सकते हो उसको फैराड में लिखते हैं. इट इज ए बिग यूनिट ऑफ कैपेसिटी. Farad is a big unit of capacity, is a big or large unit of capacity. So C equal to Q upon V. So it can be written as 1 farad equals to 1 coulomb upon 1 volt. 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 volt. If the supplied amount of charge is 1 coulomb and the rises in potential is 1 volt, then the capacity of conductor is equal 1 farad in magnitude. Equation number 3rd. Definition of SI unit. तो आपको कैपेसिटी जो है, जितना आप इस चार्ज को स्टोर कर रहे हो, आपकी मोबाइल की बैटरी जब आप चार्ज कर रहे हो कितना स्टोर करेगी, उस स्टोर्ड अमाउंट को आप फैराड में शो करोगे. तो वेरी सिंपल, यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन ऑफ 1 फैराड जो होगा, definition of 1 farad, if the amount of supplied charge to a conductor is 1 coulomb and corresponding rises in potential is 1 volt, then the capacity of that conductor is equal to 1 farad in magnitude. उसका मैग्नीट्यूड आपके 1 फैराड के इक्वल होगा. अगर आप सप्लाइड कर रहे हो 1 कूलम, राइजेस पोटेंशियल हो रहा है 1 वोल्ट, अमाउंट चार्ज सप्लाई, potential rise, 1 coulomb supply, 1 volt rise, then its valence capacity is 1 farad. Various small units of farad of capacity. Farad is big unit, so we use its small units by following prefixes, like 1 microfarad, 1 nanofarad, 1 picofarad. Micro means 10 की power minus 6, nano means 10 की power minus 9, pico means 10 की power minus 12, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. Or if if 1 microfarad, micro 10 की power minus 6, 10 की power minus 6, so it's 10 की power of minus 12, base equal, then power will add minus 6 becomes minus of 12. Okay, so this is the 1 microfarad, so it is 10 raised to power of minus 12, or it's also called as picofarad. Okay, so this is the various small units of capacity. एक नोट आपको ध्यान रखना है, farad is unit of capacity, while एक और यूनिट होती है, ये तो farad तो कैपेसिटी की यूनिट है, ऐसा ही यूनिट है, while Faraday एक और नाम है इसके अंदर, Faraday साइंटिस्ट नेम है, Faraday is biggest unit of charge, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज की जो बिगेस्ट यूनिट है उसको Faraday बोलते हैं, और 1 Faraday equal to 96500 coulomb. Always remember that this is the unit of charge, biggest unit of charge. The smallest unit of charge is Franklin. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक यूनिट या स्टेट यूनिट्स, ये आपके यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज भी होगी, और इन दोनों को अपन ने थोड़ा अलग भी डिफरेंशिएट भी कर दिया, ये इसकी यूनिट है, इसकी. This is the unit of charge. Now we discuss about dimensional formula, unit dimension formula, vector scalar, dependence. These are very important for any physical quantity. Now we discuss about the dimension formula of capacity. Dimension formula of C. The formula of C is Q upon V. Very important. C equals to Q upon V. Q is what? Q का dimension formula M0 L0 T1 A1. Very simple. Q equals to IT. Q equals to I into T. And V equal to W upon Q. W M1 in previous chapter we discussed that minus 3A minus 1. So C equal to, this is T1, this is A1, this is M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1, again M minus 1 L minus 2 T plus 4 or A plus 2. This is the dimension formula of electric capacity. Now the nature, it's a scalar or vector. It is a magnitudinal physical quantity. It's only magnitude. There is no direction. C is only magnitude required. इसके अंदर only magnitude required है. So it's a scalar quantity. C equals to formula है Q upon V. Q is what? Very simple. It's a charge, and charge is a scalar quantity. You know that. V is potential. In previous chapter we discussed that potential is a scalar quantity. There is no direction. It's just equal to the work, and work is a scalar quantity. It does not depend upon the path. It only depends upon the initial and final position under conservative field. So here C is also a scalar quantity. It shows the amount or capacity to store the electric charge. Okay, so this is the scalar or vector. So this is the C means the capacity. Like ये glass जो है, the capacity of the glass is 200 ml. That is, it stored the amount of water equal to 100 ml in it. So this shows its capacity. So it's only magnitude. There is no direction required. So we can easily say that it's a scalar quantity. Okay. Then in next lecture we discuss about the dependence and other factors. Okay. Thank you.